Welcome to Vericon Online Portal Training. This video is an introduction to viewing and filtering boiler and BCM data. In our dashboard, you can click on the Boilers tab on the left or click the dashboard box named Boilers, which also gives a summary of the number of devices in failed and warning condition. On this page, you will see a list of all your installed devices. If you click here, you will see different system views set up by default. You can choose whichever one is most relevant to you at the time. In addition to this, you can create additional system views. If you click Edit Columns, you may bring other columns into the main screen. You can choose from these datasets in the box. For example, we can add boiler manufacturer to the selected columns by dragging it across the page, and let's also add boiler model. If I scroll down, I can also add multi-dot installed to the list, as you can see here. Let's click and drag autofill installed to add it to our list. Click Apply to view your selection. Now you can see these columns have been added to the system view. Now that we have set up this view with a new set of columns, you can save it here. Choose a name to save it with in the box. For example, let me save this as Demo View. When you save any system view in this way, you have the option of saving it as a public view, which means anyone with a login for your portal is able to view it, or by keeping it as a private view, either by clicking Keep Authors or by leaving both boxes blank. In the future, when you return to this drop-down menu, your saved view will be available at the bottom of the list. You can also add a filter in order to narrow down your list view according to certain criteria, and this filtered list can also be saved as a system view in the same way. To add a filter, click the plus sign here and choose the criteria you wish to filter by. You can select from anything in this list, so for example, let's select tags. Tags can be set up in your portal however you wish, and this is covered in the settings video. This filter can be set up to search for tags starting or ending with anything you enter here, or containing. Let's use starts with pre and click the tick icon. The system view now only includes all assets which have been tagged as prepayment, which you can check by adding the column for tags, like this, as you can see. At any time you may use the search box to search by serial number, postcode, or any other data which is in the list view that you have got selected. If I return to the full boilers list by closing down this filter, you can see that when I search here, I can quickly narrow the list down to devices within the DN postcode, for example. Alternatively, I can enter part of a device serial number. And when you click on any device, you will be taken to the information page for that boiler. Thank you for watching. If you have any further queries, please check our library of videos in the Support tab, or contact us using the address on the screen, customer.success@vericonsystems.com.